But you know what? This is a slightly bigger disaster. I've got 50 machines. Let's pick it up.
I feel guilty.
All right, so there's one that's been, let's see, we haven't known this site around for 20 days. That's the 24 days. Here we go, 243.43. Let's see what's there. Scribe node that. Okay. Is this the same one? No, it's a different one. Okay, so this one's got Confluence, which is our wiki. It's got Jira, which is our... It's got something about gift cards on it. And it's got somebody's MongoDB. Okay, that sounds like a great candidate. 243.43. All right, so I've got these two machines. They're both 2x larges. I can select both of them. I'll go to Actions. I'll go to Instance State. I'll choose Terminate. Uh-oh, are you sure? Yes. Okay, I think that's done. And, you know, the boring part of this is really waiting a minute or two while this thing's trying to nicely shut down my machines, whereas really I just rather wish that they just pulled a plug on them. But what we'll see over pretty soon is we'll see a whole slew of activity on the right side, and what's going on is Kubernetes is going to detect that some machines have been lost from the cluster and that they need to be rescheduled. Those deployments are going to vary from the available count and the desired count. So then they're going to say, uh-oh, I need to scale more. Here we go. Now we're seeing all those pod names that we saw on the left getting mentioned, and we're seeing some mix of terminating and running. Terminating as the as kind of the desired the pods that are on the old machines that are not coming back are just being cleared from the database. The new ones are being scheduled and running, and because our users follow our advice of running multiple replicas of every pod, none of this really matters. And in fact, when we do OS updates, our machines update, self-update when the vendor core OS pushes an operating system patch to us. We just accept it and patch immediately with no coordination, no warnings, and it happens one machine at a time and it rolls through the cluster. So when a machine reboots, it's effectively doing this every time we're taking an operating system patch. In this case, the machine doesn't come back, so if I probably have enough spare capacity that I don't need to scale another machine back up, but if I did, then the cluster autoscaler would do its job. So that's my demo.